Alright, so today's March 1st, was actually after 12, but I start journaling and I wrote it in here. Alright, wrote my journal entry in here, and I decided that I'm going to share my journal entry with you daily. So I basically took my entry and put it into like an inspirational kind of thing so that other people can, be inspired by my journal. So the topic for my journal is that I'm not forgotten, so I can say that you're not forgotten. Today I went to church, and if I'm being honest, it still feels different. After being away for so long, returning hasn't felt the same. Some of the faces I used to see aren't there anymore. My friends no longer attend. Since coming back January, I felt that quiet shift, that subtle reminder that season change. But today, something small happened. While the bishop was preaching, he walked over to me. He held my hand for 10 seconds and said, "It's good to see you." Now, to some people, that may not mean much, but to me, it did. Because sometimes when you've been gone, when life has taken you in different direction, you wonder if you've been forgotten. You wonder if your absence matter. You wonder if anyone noticed. And in that small moment, I felt seen. Not just by him, but by God. Sometimes God doesn't shout your name from the sky. Sometimes he reminds you that you're not forgotten through a small touch, a kind word, a moment of acknowledgement. I also started something new today. I began my fast from scrolling on Instagram and TikTok. And I won't lie, I was tempted. The habit is real, the reflex is real. But I refrained. And yes, I did end up on YouTube. But I was watching sermons and Bible stories. And I had to check myself. Was I escaping or was I being filled? There's a difference. Discipline isn't about being perfect, it's about being intentional. Today wasn't dramatic. I went to church, I cooked, I lived an ordinary day. But sometimes we underestimate the blessings of an average life. The ability to try again, the grace to reset, the strength to show up, the opportunity to choose better. God didn't just wake me up today, He gave me another chance. And maybe that's what you need to hear. You are not forgotten. Your return matters. Your discipline matters. Your small obedience matters. And steady growth is still growth. And that's my entry for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay?